Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back at you with another wonderful weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 12 pounds in 1 week. And this is going to help you get that weight down. So let me show you exactly what we're working with today. Now you're going to need a blender, so get your blender cups ready. You're also going to need some ginger. Now I have some ginger that I've already mashed up inside my little cup here, my little container. So you're going to need some ginger root, fresh ginger root. You're going to need 1 lemon. You're going to need 8 to 10 ounces of filtered water. You're going to need your organic honey. You're going to need some aloe vera juice. And this I got at my, one of those Whole Food type stores. Okay, you can even get this at BJ's. I think BJ's even sell this brand. And lastly, we're going to be using our apple cider vinegar. Okay? Now, first we're going to get our cup, put our 10 ounces of water in there. Okay? Next we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of our ginger root. Go pop that in there as well. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Next, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of our aloe vera gel. And this is wonderful. This is a dietary supplement that you can use every single day. You can put it in your teas, your drinks. Okay. Next, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of our apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of our organic honey. And next we're going to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Okay. And now all that's left to do is blend this down. So let's take this over to our blender and get this ready. You want to shake that up a little bit to stir up that honey. And let's blend this down. Now you're going to get your mug. Okay, pour that down. Okay, wonderful. Alright you guys, so that's it. What you're going to do is you're going to pop your straw in there and you're going to drink this on an empty stomach every morning, okay? And you're going to see some work. Now you do this every morning and you drink this for 1 week. And it tastes awesome. You're not bothered by the apple cider vinegar taste. You're not bothered by the aloe vera taste. That honey seems to offset all of that. And you have a nice refreshing drink. Drink this every day for a week along with eating healthy light meals. And you're going to see some serious changes in your body. Your body's going to slim down. You're going to get rid of that belly weight. And you're going to be looking great, okay? So try this drink. Let me know down below how you like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. I got more coming your way. This is a very fast, easy drink that you can brew up early in the morning before you leave. And like I said, what I do to make it easier for me is I just chop up my ginger root in advance, store that in a container, pop that in the refrigerator, scoop out what I need, and it makes it much more easier in the morning to get up and get out. Okay? So enjoy this wonderful refreshing drink, and like I said, you're going to be looking good in 1 week. All right? All right, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a nice big thumbs up. Hit that like button. And also don't forget to join me on my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skin care, beauty hauls, and family challenges on that channel, okay? And don't forget, you guys, your girl loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.